Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Muhammad Rubel Hossain, and my group mate was Brother Saidul of Sadi. Today we are going to present our final year report presentation. So our title is Threat Detector for Social Media Using Text Analysis. So let's go to the main contents. Here is our main contents which we will be presented today. So let's start with introduction. Scams are the criminal activities intended to trick someone into having personal information or stealing the money. Then the threat detector is a kind of software that has ability to predict threats from the social data. And here are some of the recent incidents about the scam. So we have mentioned here 5 types of incidents. One is from tweet, then the shorten URLs, and Macau scam. Okay, so furthermore we started with a problem statement. So online threats have increased exponentially. Cybercrime is one of the largest source of concern of internet user around the world, that is 81% consumer international. 2019. Social media platforms are becoming attractive, but scammers are also clever. The suggested threat detector model can predict the threat and provide the online social media users with alerts that can predict the data as well as assets. So here is our objectives: to build an online threat detector by analyzing the text social media. We did some of the literature review. So from that we have included here only 6 which are similar to our project or systems. Then move to the methodology part. This project proposed a system on online supervised classification method for detecting threat on social media. Here is the diagram of our workflow. We start our work, then we did the literature review, set objectives, identify variables, then we collected data, then did the data pre-processing, data exploration, then we have applied technique, then prepare our model, then test our model, then create the web interface, and lastly we have completed our systems. So here is our feature selection. We have 3 types of data. One is more than 3 special character, then text with link, plain text, and less than 3 special character. So here is our user acceptance. We have asked 4 of the questions to our end users. So the questions are: according to you, this system is simple and easy to use. So here is the most of the users, they said that this system is easy to use. Then we ask, is it possible to learn the system quickly? Then most of them are agreed that this is the easy to quick to learn. Then we ask, do you think that the system compatible with Twitter? Then most of the users are neutral in this position, though we are not this system with compatible with our Twitter system, not yet. Now I am moving our UAT testing. So I have copied the dataset from our database. So let's paste it here and check whether it is a scam or not. So based on the testing, the system said that it's a scam. So let's do the another testing. I'm in the normal text. From just write and test the check the tweet. So if I check with the normal text, this is not a scam. So far this is our output system in our IT testing.
Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm starting the second part, which is building the naive-Bayes model. First we have to input the data, then the model will pre-process the data and split into 2 parts, training and testing. Then it will go to the model, which is naive-Bayes, and the next part is validation the model and give the output. This is our backend part, which is the building part for the naive-Bayes model. First, we import all the necessary libraries from the Python library. This is our data set, which is 20K and with 2 columns. This is all the stopwords that I am showing here, and this is the outlook of our data set. Next, the pie chart shows the data, the two types of data, which is non-scam and scam. The scam part was 49.99% and the non-scam part is 50.01%. The next, the descriptive part for the data set, which is count 20K data with the mean and standard deviation from minimum to maximum length of the data. This is the data pre-processing part. So first we remove all the characters, special characters, and the lower letter and capital letter from these tweets. Now it looks like this. The next part is the extraction, scam word and non-scam word. So we have to separate all the scam words and non-scam word from the data set. So here we show the scam words, and this is the word cloud for the scam words. Here we can see all the scam words here. This is the non-scam part. Then we can see all the non-scam parts, one of the non-scam words here. The next one, we change our data set into 0 and 1 because machine learning can read only 0 and 1. It cannot read the text. So non-scam part we change to 0 and scam part we change to 1. This is the vectorization part. We use TF-IDF and counter both. We can see here the results are similar, so we continue with counter vectorization. Now you can see we change all the text to the 0 and 1. Now we split our dataset into training and testing, which is 80% is training and 20% is testing. You can see here, and this is our naive-Bayes model building. So we import from sklearn multinomial naive-Bayes and we set it, and this is our accuracy for the model, which is 91%, and this is the precision recall and F1 score for the model, and this is the confusion matrix for the model. Then we save the model and we prepare to use in our system. This is our future work that we propose for this system. First, we propose the login and sign up system for the future, and use API to detect the threat from the live data, and user can use this system as an extension, and of course we will have the payment system for that. For conclusion, the social media, the number of social media users increasing day by day, and social data are stored online. Since restored social data is very big, the security issues are also involved. Nowadays, scam is one of the most popular security threat for the social data. In this project, a threat detection model is going to develop using naive-Bayes model that can be helpful for the million of social media users. This is our project Gantt chart for the whole FYP 1 and FYP 2. The last, this is our poster that we already present here. All the parts is already included in the poster. That's all from us. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.